Create customized notebook with Breva, the most compact flatbed printer. Step 1. Create your design with Photoshop and save it as a PNG file and send to Breva. Step 2. Load your design on Breva software and send to Breva. Step 3. Place your mini notebook or regular size notebook on Breva Template. Click on Print to start. Wait for 15 seconds and you're done. For better results, we recommend to use UV ink. Aside from UV ink, Breva can print on solvent and water-based ink. Get started quickly and easily with Breva. Print your designs, company logo, or text, or even your customer's name. Level up your business. Create customized notebooks and help your ideas stay together while promoting your brand. Choose Breva, the most compact and easy-to-use flatbed printer. For more information and more informative videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.